Research is an advanced feature in Claude that transforms how you find and analyze information. It delivers comprehensive reports with in-depth analysis from multiple sources. Let's see research in action, planning a team offsite. Like any other chat in Claude, it starts with a prompt. Here, we're outlining the sections we want in a final report, including preferred source types and more details. We are asking Claude to research and compare venue options that can accommodate a company offsite, including meetings, meals, and team activities. We're also adding relevant details to ensure that Claude has enough context to provide a comprehensive report. Given that research can take anywhere from 5 to 45 minutes, it's worthwhile to take time to craft a detailed prompt. If you don't, Claude will ask follow-up questions to help you refine the task before it begins. To enable research, locate the button on the bottom left of Claude's chat window and hit Submit. Once enabled, Claude will gather information from multiple sources and compile that information into a comprehensive report. As your research question runs in the background, you can focus on other work. And when you return, you'll find thorough, well-researched, and actionable results. Research in Claude operates independently, conducting multiple searches that build on each other while deciding what to investigate next. It examines different angles of your question and works through related questions at the same time. This approach delivers thorough answers, complete with easy-to-check citations so that you can verify Claude's findings. Research is ideal for thorough reports like market analysis, technical documentation synthesis, and product development road mapping, any project that typically requires hours of gathering and connecting information across sources. When using research, the extended thinking feature is automatically enabled. This advanced option supports advanced reasoning by breaking complex requests into more manageable pieces and allowing Claude to explore a problem from multiple angles. Most reports are completed in 5 to 15 minutes, although more complex investigations may take up to 45 minutes, work that would typically require hours of manual research. Research and extended thinking work best when used together. This powerful combination lets Claude both plan its approach thoughtfully and gather comprehensive information. When extended thinking is enabled, you'll see 3 key elements. First, a thinking indicator with a timer showing that Claude is actively working. Second, an expandable thinking section above Claude's response. And third, you can click that section to view Claude's thought process and problem-solving approach, giving you insight into how it arrived at its conclusions.